My absolute favorite treatment for the shiniest hair ever is... Hi guys, I'm Audrey, and today we are talking about the perfect products for healthy, shiny, luscious locks. There is just no way to have healthy hair if you don't have a healthy scalp. Without proper scalp care, issues like mild psoriasis, irritating dry flakes, and persistent itchiness can take over, leaving your hair looking lifeless and lackluster. But fear not, there are a few steps you can take to ensure a healthy scalp. Some of the best scalp saviors are clarifying shampoos and scalp stimulators that will breathe life back into your locks. The Allure award-winning Briogeo Scalp Revival Shampoo is great at detoxifying your scalp of impurities and product buildup, while at the same time helping to soothe a dry, dehydrated, or irritated scalp. Coconut oil is used to hydrate the scalp and prevent further flakiness. Charcoal detoxifies the scalp by removing buildup that can clog hair follicles. It also has this amazing cooling effect that comes from spearmint, peppermint, and tea tree oil that not only smells amazing, but helps to reduce irritation, itchiness, and flakiness. It uses plant-based microexfoliants to help exfoliate the scalp, which is much more gentle than traditional scrubs. This is clean, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. The standard size retails for $42 and the mini retails for $15. You're gonna die when I tell you about this next tip: scalp massages. Scalp massages stimulate blood circulation, lift buildup, and exfoliate the scalp, which scientists have found leads to fuller, thicker hair strands. I repeat, your hair strands can get thicker if you massage your scalp. Using a scalp treatment and a scalp massager, game changer. Sephora collection has this scalp massager for like $12. It'll definitely do the job. My absolute favorite treatment for the shiniest hair ever is Color Wow Dream Coat. This heat activated spray smooths away frizz and silkens your hair for the most sleek hair of your life. It has this built-in anti-humidity complex that prevents frizz, adds heat protection, and adds shine. It also enhances your hair's overall radiance and protects color. And it uses glycerin to lock in moisture. This product is truly wild to me. It works so well and so instantly. Every time I use it, I'm like, wow. I just used it just before this video, and you guys, my hair is so soft and so shiny. Literally all you have to do is apply it to your damp hair and then blow dry. It is heat activated, so you have to blow dry to get the maximum effects, but it does last for up to 4 shampoos. If you're looking for one product that's gonna make your hair super shiny, it's this one. This is vegan, gluten, and cruelty-free. The standard size retails for $28 and the mini retails for $12. If you are finding this video helpful at all, please hit the subscribe button to help me reach my goal of 6K before the end of the year. On top of this treatment, another way to add shine to your hair would be hair oils. I personally feel like a lot of clients aren't using hair oils correctly, so they kind of get a bad rep, but if used correctly, oh my gosh, you guys, they can do wonders for your hair. If your hair is fine like mine and you're worried about a hair oil weighing it down, worry no more, babe, because this Allure award-winning hair oil from JVN is so lightweight, it's almost unbelievable. I love this oil as a finishing touch after styling because it does not weigh down my fine hair. You literally need a pea-sized amount, okay? Maybe 2 drops will do. Rub your palms together and then start literally at the bottom of your hair on the ends and then work your way up. Only go to like right here. Do not, I repeat, do not touch the top of your head with hair oil. It's gonna look super greasy. We don't want that. It adds shine and moisture with the help of meadowfoam esters. Hibiscus extract provides antioxidant protection and color protection. And over time, hemisqualane helps to repair and strengthen hair health. It smells so good. It has notes of sparkling grapefruit and tangerine. Smells like a spa, you guys. This is clean, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. This retails for $24. I love to use the Allure award-winning Gisou Honey Hair Oil as a hair mask. I massage it into my scalp, put my hair in a braid, clip it up, I do my nails, I watch a show, and then I rinse it out. You can even use it as an overnight treatment. The honey used in this product is a humectant that attracts water molecules, leading to a healthy moisture barrier and hydrated hair strands. It's also sourced cruelty-free from their personal bee farm in the Netherlands. Coconut and almond oil are infused to add shine, reduce frizz, moisturize, and protect your hair. The consistency of this oil is a lot thicker due to the honey, so I cannot personally use this as a finishing touch. This is clean, gluten, and cruelty-free. The standard size retails for $46 and the mini retails for $25. Speaking of JVN, I have been absolutely obsessed with this instant recovery serum. You guys, your hair will smell delicious after using this and just look amazing. This hair serum boosts your hair's ability to retain moisture, it seals split ends, and adds a protective layer to your hair. And it even enhances the effects of your other styling products. The hemisqualane in this helps to smooth, repair damage, and promote stronger strands. But what sets this product apart is is the niacinamide and charged lemon protein. You guys know we love niacinamide on this channel, but did you know niacinamide for the scalp helps to repair by boosting keratin synthesis, which helps your hair feel strong and soft. Charged lemon proteins bond to the hair follicle and help prevent environmental and product damage, all while adding shine. Using it is super easy. You just rub some in your palms and then work it on damp hair from like the mid length all the way down. It is so good. And I just use like a comb to comb it through. My goodness. You can either air dry or blow dry your hair. I love this product because you don't have to like commit to blow drying your hair. I don't blow dry my hair very often at all, maybe like twice a month. And so I love products that don't require heat. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. The standard size retails for $29 and the mini is $14. A very popular hair mask that is very good at deeply conditioning and hydrating your hair is the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Hair Mask. It uses jojoba seed oil to load your hair with vitamins. And sea buckthorn loads your hair with those omega fatty acids, which we know are so good for the hair and skin. Together, these boost your hair's hydration, and you guys, your hair is going to be so shiny and soft. This can either be used as a weekly treatment or an everyday conditioner. The standard size retails for $32 and the mini is $18. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. I have a favorite styling cream that has a gel-like hold, adds shine, protects against humidity, all while reducing everyday frizz. And it is, drumroll please, JVN Air Dry Cream. This product is perfect for you if you love to let your hair air dry because it does not require heat. The Hemisqualane helps to combat damage by strengthening and smoothing, but Air Dry Cream also contains chia seed and linseed extract that work together to help enhance your natural texture. A special ingredient, moringa seed oil, literally makes your hair super soft, luscious, and just like oh so sheen. It smells like I just had a blowout at like the most luxurious spa. This is my favorite smell, like ever. It smells so good, you guys. To yield maximum results, you put some in your palms, rub it together, and then work it from like here down, and then just like comb it through. I love this stuff, you guys. It's so good. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. The standard size retails for $26 and the mini is $12. This hair serum has raving reviews, both online and in store from my Sephora colleagues and clients. It is the Vegamour Grow Hair Serum. This clinically tested hair serum helps to promote thicker looking hair by reducing hair shedding and increasing the appearance of hair density in 90 days. It uses turmeric, red clover, and mung bean to prevent hair loss, reset the dermal hair cells, revive the hair growth cycle, and thicken from the root. It smells really good with a bergamot scent. It is best used as a spot treatment. I have a friend who works at Sephora who has had incredible results with this. You guys, his hair is thick. I will say that you do have to have hair. It has to be able to penetrate your hair follicle. So you can't just be bald and use this. It's not gonna work. But if you do have hair still and it's just thinning, it's worth a try. It's worth a try. This retails for $64. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. Listen, I love me some biotin gummies, okay? I did not know that they actually worked until I think it was this year when I first tried them. I'm on my second round of them and oh my gosh, you guys, they actually work. I was like thinning like right here and it has grown incredibly quick in the past like 3 weeks, you guys. It's insane. I noticed that my eyelashes got way thicker. I don't know about longer, but definitely like thicker. My nails, I'm not even kidding you, got so strong. They don't even like bend anymore. This is so great. There are a couple of biotin gummy options at Sephora, but the ones that I use aren't sold at Sephora, but they're a little cheaper. I also have a discount code for you guys if you're interested, but they are the Tula Balance Beauty Gummy Vitamins. Like I went to my hairstylist and I was like, why do I have so much frizz? And she's like, that's not frizz, that's hair growth. And I was like, it's the vitamins. I'm not even kidding you guys. They're actually working for me. These gummies not only have biotin, they also have folic acid and vitamin C to help with your hair, skin, and nails. They also have probiotic and prebiotic extracts that can help with digestion and bloating. You guys, I literally told my husband like 3 days ago, I was like, you know, I've been working out, I've been eating healthier, and I think those things did contribute, but I was like, my stomach is flatter, and I'm thinking like, oh my God, was it these vitamins? I don't know, because I have been doing all 3 things, you know, but I don't know. At Sephora, there are a couple of hair gummy options. I haven't used any of them, so I can't say. If you have found one that you love at Sephora, please leave it in the comments down below for the rest of us. But these ones, you guys, they are so good for me. Please, if I forgot to mention one of your favorite products, leave it down below for us girlies in the comments. There is no gatekeeping here, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. Please, please, please. I am trying to hit 6K before the end of the year. I hit my yearly goal of 5K 3 months early, you guys. So thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you guys next time.